25 years. That's roughly how long LilyPad has been in the inventory game. And I'll tell you the truth, a lot of what has been learned has been from things going wrong. Inventory is hard, and no one starts a business because they love doing inventory so much. You've got stock spread across the warehouse or warehouses. Sales rep quoting numbers that were accurate yesterday. An accounting team that finds out about a shortage the same time that a customer does. It's a lot of moving parts, and for a long time, the tools that were available didn't actually make it that much easier. So here's what a couple decades of watching inventory up close and personal has taught LilyPad. First, nobody wants to switch systems, like hardly ever. Even when the system is frustrating, the thought of ripping out that inventory system and having to go through the process of learning and replacing it with something new, it's easier to deal with the frustration and the annoyance than starting over. We got that message loud and clear over and over. Second, the problem is rarely ever the core system itself. It's usually everything that gets built around it. The reports that someone has to build manually by hand every Friday. The 5 different spreadsheets all trying to talk to each other and failing. And third, people don't actually want more software. They want fewer steps. That's basically the philosophy behind what LilyPad builds now. LilyPad doesn't ask you to abandon whatever you're currently running on, whether that's Fishbowl or Katana or even Sin 7. We build on top of it, modern, fast, and now with Nexus, something you can even just talk to. Ask it to draft a PO. Ask it to show you every item that is below reorder point. Ask it to create a sales report for just this last 2 weeks. Boom, it's done. 25 years of watching people fight their systems taught us that the fix was never to start over. Instead, it was make what you have easier to use. So if that sounds like your team right now, buried in workflows instead of just working, that's exactly the problem we've spent a career trying to solve. And we're pretty good at it. Find your Nexus link down below.